Another one? Another one. This side?
Just this
Okay. Yep, thank you. Oh man. Oh jeez. Hey, scared of heights, and yet they let me do this. This is not fun at all. Yeah, I think I might want to stop. I don't think this is for me any. I don't think I can do it. No, I don't think I can do it. I might need to stop this one. Is it like a kid's version? Is it like a kid's version? This is the height. I can't do this. Yeah, I don't want to keep on going and realize I can't go any further because... I'll keep going. That's the issue. Yeah, not this one. Oh. I know it's safe. Whoa, why did it change section? Why did it change foot? This is so not me.
Whose idea was this?
I want to tell.
Yours idea.
It's not my idea.
Yes, it was. You were on the bed for That was my favorite.
Oh. Is it on? Yeah. Yeah, this is not for me. Lower it down a bit. I'm doing this for you, Jay. Why are they so far apart? Oh, this is not my thing. Curse you, whoever gave me this voucher. Beside the point. I'm not going to even try. Oh, dear Lord. Beside the point, I'm not trying to catch up with them. I'm not here for a race, you know that. Here to be scared. The crap. Why is that so far away? Really? Ah, that was like the biggest leap. Oh,
I made it.
explain why you have to be. Why is that so far away? Oh,
Last one. You got this.
I do not have this.
You do.
Oh,
You made it.
I need a glove for this. Guys, I'm having a heart attack. I'm gonna die. Ugh. Ah, I can use this. Why is it hitting my head? Why is it on an angle? Look at this, so far away. It's so wobbly. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have hold the hand like that. It's more wobbly. Explain why they also say that you don't mind your clothes getting dirty because the rope is. I'm saying the whoa, look at that, mama, mama. It is supposed to be safe. Yeah, I can go down. Yeah, that's the worst part. Just hanging around.
Oh, moving on. Oh, this one. Oh, it's wobbly.
Yeah, that one's not too bad. That's like a kid's one. Oh. Ah. You said that was hard.
That was hard.
But it's not connected.
Because it waddles.
Exactly.
They don't hold this. But you can if you want.
Yeah, no, if I hold on to the other one, it's actually harder. Whew. Oh yeah.
Oh, this one's much better. You're in a net. I'll wait for this one. I think it'll be a while.
Alright, I might need to hold this one because it's not too wobbly.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. But still.
Very wobbly, that one.
Whoa. Whoa. Alright, don't skip. Do not skip. Take one at a time. Put it between your legs. Put it between your legs. No, not between your legs. Your heel arch. That's the one. Not between your legs. The legs can be very painful. Arch of the foot. That's the one.
Are you scared?
This is actually not bad. Whee.
Love it.
This one, because it's not moving, it's not too bad.
Oh no, I found the leg quite hard.
No, because probably because you're holding on to your thing.
Oh, okay.
Whereas if you have it like holding on to the side. Me commentate this. Sure, I've got my helmet on. Huh? First you want to do. Oh, sir, safety first. And then we're going uphill.
Oh my god, someone's on the flying fox. You can slide in.
Ah, this one's easier, just cruising along, walking down. Yeah. Yeah. And we've got a fly fox down. Whoa. What's that? Go for it. You go first. Yep. What are you doing? You're supposed to put your feet up. Hey. Ooh. Maybe you should have the kids version. That'd be more ideal for me. People that are scared of heights, like myself, this is not the fun part. Especially when you're only relying on the harness that is between your legs. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa, I'm on the other side. Yeah. I'm on the ground. Yeah.
Because I just want to just come down.
Then you go back to these stairs again.